How you doing, guys? Welcome to the Feliz family. Today we're doing how to burp a baby. Oh, look. I just fed her. Well, now we gonna burp her. So this is the tutorial, guys. So what you wanna do is just put her on top of you, right here on your shoulder. She might be moving around, so you always have to, always keep your hand here, or keep your hand firm like this on her butt. You can see, on her butt like that. Grab her, like basically on her waist. That way, you can. But if you have your other hand there, you can move down your hand, or you can tap her in the back. Now, for all babies, it's very good. Oh, there she goes. She burped. For all babies, it's very good to tap. She threw up a little. That's because well, maybe throw it is when they burp. They got a little bit of milk right on top of the stomach. All that come up. Or they're overfed. That's why you're not supposed to. Well, it's good to overfeed, maybe it don't matter. I'll show you this number full. And it's very, very good to always at least pat their back for at least 5 to 10 minutes straight. No te desesperes, como decimos nosotros los dominicanos. We basically, don't get tired. Have patience. You have to pat their back. You see, that's the first burp. You have to at least burp. There'd be at least a minimum 2 burps, minimum. A little small one and a big one. And that's okay, because it's good when you pat them in the back. It helps out their lungs, helps out their chest. You get shit. Not all babies are the same. I tell you that. Not all babies are the same. But my baby, she can take a pat. So for not all babies the same. So some baby just by rubbing them like this in the back, they might burp. And this is patting them in the back actually helps out with the lungs. I don't know if I said that already, but I probably did. Got your whole back, palm over palm like this. Like that. You see? Boom. Show how to burp a baby. I'm not gonna stay here for the whole 5 to 10 minutes, but it's a little tutorial how to burp a baby, guys. And I'm gonna show you a little tutorial how to change a baby. Of course, I'm not gonna change them like and show them their private part. No, never that. What I'm gonna do is put this camera to the side, show you the perks to change the baby. Right now she's fine because I did just change her. Oh, come on, show the camera your little face. Look at this. Look at this. Hola. Hi. What's up? Ooh, what you doing? Nothing. I ain't doing nothing. So there's another way to burp them. You put them like this too. All depends. All the babies depend. You put them like this. It's not good if they're under 3 months. It's not good to sit them down. But if they're over 3 months, they have a strong body, you can sit them down like this. Is another way. Right here is another way. I'll just show you that. Or you can put them facing down like this. Let me show you real quick. Like that. Yep. I do all, like when sometimes because it helps them as well when you move them around. And it's easier for them for the bird to come out. So, moving the baby around is good because it helps them, release the burp, helps them release the burp. So right now, look, she's comfortable. So whatever position your baby like being in, like if you put her in all types of position, if she feel comfortable and don't move, and while you pat her in the back, stay like that, you know, and always go with that position. Not all babies are the same, like I said, but all babies are different. See, my baby, she likes to stand up. She don't like to, like, either like this. She don't like to be laid down. No, look, she just burped a little bit, and a little bit more came out. Oh, let the people know, And you daddy girl. Good daddy girl. Well, guys, if you haven't so far, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. My name is Freddy Feliz with the crazy hair. Welcome to the Feliz family. Yeah, if you want to keep updated with all different types of videos, turn on your notification bell. I do camera news, I do gaming, I do tech reviews. I promote people as well. And camera news too, man. One of the best of the best. I hop on cops. I don't care what they're doing, who they're pulling over. They can protect the president. I'm coming towards you, and I'm gonna record you. See that, guys? That's how you do it. Alright, guys. I'll check y'all another day. Deuces.